Okay guys, so I'm not really going to be talking a lot in this video. Right now I'm just blending my concealer under my eyebrow. I'm doing my makeup a little bit fast because I woke up late, if you notice in this video, and I primed my face before I started filming, so that's why there's not a footage of that. And I'm just blending the concealer under my eye with a flat brush. I don't wear foundation, so after this process I won't be applying any foundation over it. So after I finish blending, I just go ahead and add my banana powder on the necessary areas, you know, under the eyes, the side of the face, the forehead, all that. I'm not going to be telling you guys exactly what I used on my eyes. Just watch the video and be entertained. Finally reached the contour stage. Obviously, everyone needs to contour their face. Well, not everyone, every woman needs to contour their face because you don't want your face to be looking like a round flat baked potato. Went ahead and did my lashes off camera because it is one of my biggest struggles doing my makeup. My hair looks so crazy right now, but just wait until I put on some edge control and do my edges and all of that, and then just don't judge me here right now. Please don't judge me here because it looks crazy as hell right now, but just wait for the finish. Just wait. Okay, so I'm about to put y'all on some game right now. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my highlighter. It can be whatever brand highlighter you want it to be, and then you get your favorite lotion, and then you mix that highlighter with your lotion, and you just rub it all over your body to get that glowy skin that you always see me in my pics. I always look like this glowy goddess. That's how I got that glowy look. I decided to wear something super casual but also sexy, and I wasn't really going anywhere special. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, mwah.